I put some ice on you cause you gotta go. I know I gotta keep my shorty on go. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Diamond Forever here. If you are new here, hey, my channel is a lifestyle channel. I have things like hair reviews, makeup, videos, vlogs, you name it, I probably have it. So definitely stick around and check out a little bit more of my channel. To all of my returning subscribers, thank you guys for coming back. I really love you, and I want everybody to go ahead and like and comment on this video right now. Comment and let me know either if you like this wig or another really good synthetic wig that you recommend I try out. And as you guys can tell by the title, this video is a wig review for the Sensational Butta Lace unit. I got this one in the wine color, and I will have the wig linked in the description box. Hopefully it is not sold out, because y'all, these wigs be selling out. I think it was sold out in the 1B color, which is why I got the honey wine, which is the moment that I'm here for. I'm here for the moment that it's giving. And this is the wig, and I will show you guys how I installed it. Heads up, it was very simple, like very simple, very simple. So if you are excited in seeing the very simple process I took to install this wig, because where is the lace? The part is giving, this is my hair. Who's gonna tell me any different? Where is the lace? And if you can see the lace, just mind your business. But yes, if you're interested in seeing how I installed this wig, I don't even know if we want to call it that at this point anymore. It was whatever. If you're interested in seeing how this wig ended up on my head, keep on watching. All right, let's get right into it. Here is the wig straight out of the little bag that it came in. Again, this is the Butta Lace Unit 2 wig in the color wine. I believe that's what I'm looking at. Money piece wine, that's what it is. And this is a T-part wig. It's not a full frontal, just the T-part. As I'm showing you guys, it has clips and the adjustables in the back. To apply this wig, I just have 2 braids going to the back, and it's pretty flat. My hair was blow dried, I believe, but that's all it takes. Then I have my foundation and a dense stipple brush to apply the foundation onto the lace of the wig. I used a foundation that I hate. As you can see why I hate it. Look how it's coming out. That is the Becca foundation. I feel like I got it from Marshall's or something, but I usually use a cheap foundation or a foundation that I don't really care for, and that's what I use today. I only could get a little bit out of the bottle, but you really only need a little bit anyway, so it worked out fine. And I'm just flipping the wig over and applying the foundation directly on the lace. Alright, now it's time to put the wig on my head, and I'm just kind of plopping it on there. And this is how it's looking before I trim the lace. At this point, things are already looking pretty good, and I can already tell that I'm going to like this wig. The lace is looking good. I don't know. It does need some plucking, but I'm not going to do that because I'm not plucking a synthetic wig. That's just how I feel. But if you care to pluck it, if you can, I don't even know. Can you pluck synthetic wigs? I don't know. But it could have used some plucking. And here I am just playing with the wig, showing you guys how it would look in different little configurations, I guess. I'm showing you how it would look if you maybe wanted to wear it on a side part, if you wanted to kind of play with the curls a little bit. I'm just kind of playing with the wig at this point. And here is a close-up on the part in the lace, and I think it looks pretty good. Okay, let's get back to business. I am getting ready to cut the lace. I am holding the wig kind of up, and I'm not cutting in a straight line. I'm just doing like a jagged cut with the scissors. Then here we are after the lace has been cut, and again I'm just kind of making sure it's secure on my head, because at this point I'm kind of wrestling with the thought of if I want to even glue the wig down or not. And here's another close-up of
how the lace is looking. I probably could have cut a little bit more lace on that one side, but it is what it is. I'm just going to go over it with a little bit more foundation. I didn't add any more foundation to the brush. I just used whatever was left over, and this is how things are looking. I'm going in and perfecting the part just a little bit. It was just a little bit out of place, so I'm just kind of going in and fine tuning it, I guess. And here I am again playing with the wig. Most of this video, I feel like that's what I've been doing, not really installing it. But I'm just kind of showing you guys what it would look like behind the ear. I love a behind the ear moment, so I was just kind of testing that out. Now here is a full 360 of the wig. I tried to show you guys its entirety, but it is pretty long and I can only show so much because I'm kind of short, but it's pretty long. It goes past my butt. I would say it is bouncy, as you can see. It's not like stiff or anything. And then again, a look at the lace. I did decide to go ahead and add some concealer to the part just to give it a little more zhuzh, I guess. And then after that, for the last time, I am just getting the wig exactly how I want it. And I'm really happy with the outcome of it. You guys let me know what you think, but I think it looks pretty good. I'm just kind of, showing you guys how the final look came out.
Okay, you guys, here is the finished product of me putting the wig on. As you guys can see, I did not lie when I said this was a super easy wig install. And y'all, it didn't even go, like, I planned to go a lot more in depth, but I was like, it's not necessary. It's just not even necessary. I didn't glue the wig down because I felt like it wasn't necessarily. Usually I would kind of glue my wigs, not glue for a synthetic, I would spray it down with like some hold spray. But I'm telling you, I really just did not feel like it was even necessary for this wig. I really didn't. And then you guys saw I put a little foundation under, some concealer on top, and that was it. Like, that was really it. The one con to this wig, and y'all, it's probably my fault somehow, some way, honestly. Only thing I didn't like about this wig is this side of the wig, it's not giving the curl that this side gives. But like I said, honestly, that's probably somehow my fault. I didn't store the wig in the most acceptable fashion. Y'all, this wig been in the back of my closet, let's just be honest. Because I had braids when I first bought it, and I did keep it in the bag and the box and everything. But I'm just not gonna blame Sensational for that. And honestly, it's probably a way to fix it. If you are more well versed in the synthetic world and you know how to curl synthetic hair, because I do not. So if you know how to do that, and if you know how to fix this little part, then definitely leave it in the comment section below. Because all I'm gonna do is a little behind the ear moment, and boom. And I live for a behind the ear moment anyways. I mean, this takes nothing away from the look for me. I probably would have ended up doing this anyway. So I mean, perfect. You guys, I'm gonna do another once over of the wig. This is how it's looking from the side. And of course the curls will like kind of fall the more you wear the wig. If it's kind of ratted back here, I'm sorry. It's because I can't see back there. So, but yes, the lace just looks so natural on this wig. Like, it's really seamless. It's really blendable. I feel like with any skin tone, if you do the steps I did, no matter what your skin tone is, it should look as seamless as this. Like, I'm really impressed with this. Really think you guys should pick this wig up. It was, I don't want to lie to you guys and tell you a price, but I feel very strongly in my spirit that it was either $44.99 or $49.99. Either way, it was less than $50 for this wig, and I'd do it again. In fact, I probably will. This wig was so easy to apply. I was gonna put on makeup to come and do my little intro outro, and I didn't even do that. So that tells you how much I'm feeling it. Like, I was just like, girl, this is a moment how it is. So I definitely recommend this wig. If you guys have any questions, if you have any comments, concerns, I guess go ahead and leave them in the comment section below. Definitely let me know how you like this wig, if you plan on purchasing, and then also let me know if there are any other synthetic wigs or any affordable wigs at all that you recommend I purchase. I just think synthetic wigs are perfect for the purpose of getting it on and going. This wig demonstrated that so effortlessly. So I have got the wig on and now it's time to go. So I am going to head out. I will see you guys in a little bit. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Really appreciate it. Once again, don't forget to smash that subscribe button if you haven't already. Like, comment, and go ahead and follow me on Instagram to keep up with me just a little bit more. And I'll see you guys in my next video. And I guess we know which wig I'll probably be wearing. Bye.
Is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my pride of it? I ain't no player, I just had a lot of pain. But let me tell you, I like you a lot.